So now that we've covered the concepts of alignment, relevance, and quality score, let's take a look at a specific example from the hosting industry that will make these concepts more concrete. For this example part of our tutorial, let's assume that we are either an online marketing manager with the web hosting company 1&1 Internet, or a search marketing analyst with an agency that has 1&1 as a client. Assume that management has been questioning whether the amount of budget being spent on AdWords is really worth it, and generally wanting to improve results. Either way, our role for this demonstration is to help 1&1 learn how to improve their search marketing results. So let's look at 1&1 and see why their management might not be as pleased with their search marketing results as they might be. The first step in this process is simply to develop a baseline understanding of where 1&1 is performing by placing their URL into the search bar and hitting search. In doing so, we quickly discover a few items of note. First of all, from the initial results page, we are shown an indication of the number of ads and keywords, as well as an estimate of their monthly spend and estimated clicks. We can see that 1&1 has a large number of ads, nearly 6,000, and they've been bidding on an impressive number of keywords as well, nearly 100,000. So though they have good coverage, this doesn't tell the whole story. Looking at the top keyword section, we see a listing of their top performing keywords listed in order of KEI, or Keyword Effectiveness Index. Ads with a high KEI score typically are currently running or have run for a good long time, an indication that they continue to work well for the advertiser. Let's scroll down and take a look at some of their ads to see if they make sense from an alignment standpoint. Some less than optimal approaches begin to show up. For instance, if you look at the Other Keywords column, you can see that one of their longest running ads has nearly 5,000 keywords connected to it. It's very likely that this number of keywords has several natural keyword clusters within it that would yield higher alignment and relevance were they grouped properly. Looking at a specific 1&1 ad here, connected to the keyword Drupal web hosting, we can see that the ad says packages starting at $349. But if we simply go to the landing page, the prices are different, and worse, there's no mention of Drupal. This sort of relevance disconnect or misalignment causes an advertiser's quality score to fall. They will need to spend more than is necessary to generate clicks with this ad. One of 1&1's biggest competitors is another large hosting company called GoDaddy. GoDaddy is also a leader in the web hosting market and has a good deal of experience marketing themselves on the web. GoDaddy and 1&1 are both sort of the 800-pound gorillas of the hosting space. But since we are trying to help 1&1, let's take a look to see if there's anything they could learn from GoDaddy. We can see the number of keywords GoDaddy has been bidding upon, and the number of ads they are running is a bit lower than the number being bid upon by 1&1, but it's still a very respectable quantity. Scrolling down to their top ad section, we see in the Other Keywords column that the number of keywords associated with the ads are in tight groups of a few hundred at the most. Furthermore, if we look at the first WordPress template ads, we can see the term WordPress templates showing up prominently. This is a good example of a PPC advertiser that has aligned their keywords, ads, ad groups, and landing pages well, and there is much 1&1 could learn from them. We hope that by reviewing this specific example and reviewing alignment and relevance goals, we have given you a sense of the type of insights and analysis that you can easily generate to improve your own search marketing results. We hope you found this tutorial to be useful. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our blog to receive notice as new tutorials, helpful advice, and tips become available. From all of us at iSpionage, thanks for watching.